It can take 7 years to build reputation, 5 years to save your first 10 million, and just 60 seconds for a boy in an apartment somewhere in Lagos or a hacker in Russia to take everything you have built for those 7 or 5 years. And if you think you are safe because you don't click random links, you are exactly the person hackers or these guys are looking for. In 2026, scammers are not just sending bad emails. They are cloning voices, hijacking WhatsApp sessions, and bypassing two-factor authentications. So for you that is a parent, your child may be talking to a scammer or a stranger on a gaming app and you don't have any idea what is going on. For you, a business owner, imagine waking up and your Instagram business page is gone. 50,000 followers just wiped off like that. Your customers are being scammed in your DMs and you are locked out of it. Or you might be a professional. You downloaded the wrong app on your phone and suddenly your official emails are being leaked. I've spent over 6 years helping individuals and business stay safe online, especially here in Nigeria. And I realized one thing: video courses or videos on YouTube are not enough. When your accounts are being hijacked by 2 a.m. in the morning, you don't want to start looking for a login into a course online to know what next to do. You need something that you can grab from your drawer or on your table or your desktop and put to use immediately. And that is why today I'm introducing you to the Cyber Safe Homes Kit, a digital shield system which has an handbook, short masterclass sessions, and a cybersecurity board game. So you get physical handbooks and cards that forms your war room manual. So this will contain offline checklists, your emergency recovery protocols, scam dictionary, which contains tricks that hackers are performing and using to exploit people online. And in the video masterclass, in the short sessions. So don't wait until you are calling that customer care number that will never or that may never be picked up. Start securing your digital life today by getting this copy of the Cyber Safe Homes Kit. Remember, you're going to get the physical handbooks, physical leaflets, and cards that will give you instant direction on what to do or who to call when there's a problem. It also gives you access to us as a company. We provide 24/7 incident response to your cybersecurity needs, especially needs coming from your home and individuals while you are away from your corporate environment. It also contains short master classes which are over-the-shoulder tutorials that will show you exactly how to secure your router, secure your devices, how to check on your children, how to know what problem your children are doing. And these are short videos that you can share with your domestic staff, you can share with your drivers, you can share with people around you, your friends, family, vulnerable ones around you, and you also can consume them with ease. And then you get the master, the cyber board game, which is an easy portable game that you can carry around and play with friends, play with family, play with your staff, using team hangouts, and where you play and you learn, you have fun and you learn and how to secure yourself online. Remember, you need to start securing your digital life today. Start securing your family today. Get a copy of the Cyber Safe Homes Kit for yourself, for your family, and you'll be on your journey to perfect safety.